How to manage ad topics on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage ad topics on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, add preferences. Click on it and then click add topics, and as you see here you can manage add topics. Just choose any topics you want, pets or anything. Just click this one, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.